Hi guys, this is Liridan, and the purpose of today's trade is to show you guys how to react when your targets are not filled for a couple of ticks. Pros and cons of being greedy about 1 or 2 ticks. So let's begin. You're seeing that we used the break of the channel high to sell the crude oil at 48.43, looking for 3 targets. Nothing fancy to them. The first one as usually 10 ticks, the second one 20 ticks, and the last one at the previous low, with the hope that the price will go there. Alright, so the stop is at the high of the channel, nice and tight, of 15 ticks. If it goes beyond that, we could potentially see upward trend of the market. So we would not be interested to follow that. So let's see how it goes. We didn't need to wait a lot. We got filled within the 5-minute candle in the first 10 tick target. So we lowered our stop losses at only 6 ticks in loss region. If the move doesn't continue to fill our second target, which is just prior of some resistance, we get to stop out 6 ticks on minus. So let's pause the video for a couple of minutes and once again see how the move goes. I just zoomed this area of the trade for you guys to see it more clearly. Alright, you're seeing our target hasn't been filled. It went close to 1 or 2 ticks and not filled. Should we be greedy about it and wait, or leave it as it is and wait for a reversal? So that was the entire purpose of this video, and as it didn't get filled, I was not greedy about it because of the resistance and my nature as a trader, which I'm very impulsive when my targets don't get filled but only touched. Alright, so I changed my initial target for 3 ticks and got filled with 16 ticks. The question for you guys is, if I have waited a couple more minutes, would I have gotten 19 ticks, or will I get stopped out and earn nothing more out of this trade? And the answer is the second one. So I wouldn't get anything out of this trade if I have waited a couple more minutes. It would stop me out and lose 2 more other trades because of my intention for the targets to be exactly 100%, as I said before. To summarize this setup, in this case, when you see the potential for your forecasting has changed, or you have doubts about your targets, there is nothing wrong taking as much profit as the move lets you do so. Okay? As you see in this case, I got 12 more ticks from the last move, and if I have still waiting for my 40 ticks target to be filled, not only I would lose 24 more ticks, but I would regret for not taking the profit that has already been served to me. Because when you don't see green targets trades on your screen, the regret is less. But when you see that you could have taken the profit that has been already served to you, but you didn't take it because of that 1 or 2 ticks that you have forecasted yourself, that is the time for the big regret. So thank you, and see you next one.